Hey there, and welcome to today's Orthos Liquid Systems video chat. I'm Stuart Humphreys, Director of Filtration Technologies for Orthos. More living history on tap today as I share about our recent Seguin, Texas water treatment plant retrofit. Settled in 1838 and by the beautiful Guadalupe River, Seguin is one of the oldest towns in Texas and named for Tejano Colonel Juan Seguin. Now home of the world's largest pecan, in the 1800s, this frontier town was an experimental hub for using locally invented limecrete as a building material, as evidenced by the stately Sebastopol house. Cotton farming and oil production supported a lively economy that demanded refrigeration. Reportedly first built for ice production around the turn of the 20th century, the Seguin Municipal Water Purification Plant was officially commissioned in 1928. The first filters were of heterolateral type with sand over gravel. Later, during plant expansions of filter groupings with different configurations, clay tile block underdrains with gravel, garnet, sand, and anthracite were installed. The last renovations to the facility occurred back in the mid-1980s. Emery Gallagher, former Seguin Director of Water and Wastewater, experienced multiple premature failures of plastic block underdrains at other Texas treatment plants, so he demanded that the rehabilitation of the Seguin filters be made instead with reinforced concrete monolithic underdrains to provide the city with a century of service. Numerous challenges during the design and retrofit were overcome by Orthos, TRC engineers, and RP constructors to include different existing underdrain configurations, minimal filter floor concrete thickness, the addition of air scour, a very tight pipe gallery, minimal filter wall freeboard, as well as a filter media design that met TCEQ regulations. A relatively short plenum height of only 16 inches was chosen, which enables proper media fluidization while providing underdrain velocities well below 1 foot per second. Excellent distribution is evidenced by recent air scour and backwash maldistribution testing. Hatches built into the filter underdrain provide access to the plenum for inspection. We fully expect that these renovations will provide Seguin their expectations of reliability, resiliency, and permanency. Orthos' monolithic underdrains have become part of the civil structure and will provide peace of mind to Seguin for many, many decades to come. I want to thank you for watching today, and please contact me or your local Orthos representative for any of your filtration, contactor, or ion exchange needs. Also be sure to subscribe to the Orthos YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, or LinkedIn me. I'm Stuart Humphreys. Talk with you again soon.